International recording artist and entrepreneur Rihanna declared a national hero in her home country of Barbados. How you gonna welcome? This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. International hit singer Rihanna, who is aged 33, has been declared a national hero of Barbados. The declaration coincided with Monday night's transition of Barbados to a republic, cutting ties from Britain. Prime Minister Mia Mottley made the announcement in Bridgetown to the loud cheers of many people who gathered at the event. Rihanna was called up to be. Prime Minister Mia Mottley made the announcement in Bridgetown to the loud cheers of many people who gathered at the venue. Rihanna was called up to be acknowledged.
Her discipline, and above all else, her extraordinary commitment to the land of her birth. Pursuant to Clause B of the schedule, and having satisfied that Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty has given service to Barbados which has been exemplified by visionary and pioneering leadership, extraordinary achievement, and the attainment of the highest excellence that has redounded to the honor of Barbados, my government has the distinct honor of recommending to the President, who has kindly and graciously accepted, that Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty tomorrow morning shall have conferred upon her the Order of National Hero of Barbados. I ask you to please come and stand and to accept on behalf of a grateful nation. You can come, my dear. On behalf of a grateful nation, but an even prouder people, we therefore present to you the designee for National Hero of Barbados, Ambassador Robin Rihanna Fenty. May you continue to shine like a diamond and bring honor to your nation by your words, by your actions, and to do credit wherever you shall go. God bless you, my dear.
The Prime Minister stated, "May you continue to shine like a diamond and bring honor to your nation by your work, by your actions," said Motley. The Prime Minister was referring to Rihanna's 2012 chart-topping single Diamond. This was what Rihanna had to say after she received that prestigious award of becoming a national hero of her country.
Morning. I'm not sure if it's good afternoon yet, but good morning, Barbados. This is a day that I would never ever forget. It's also a day that I never saw coming. Barbadians are proud people, you know? We are probably the proudest people I know. And no matter where I go in the world, I take that pride with me. No matter where we go, the world is gonna know that we Bajan to the bone. No matter if it's accent, the constant missing Shafet, the sunshine, the people, man, the people. Y'all are the true heroes of Barbados, and I take y'all with me wherever I go. I'm so proud to be a Bajan. I'm gonna be a Bajan till the day I die. This is still the only place I've ever called home. I love Barbados, I love you guys, and I pray that the youth continue to push Barbados forward. I'm I'm so proud of you, Prime Minister Mia Motley. Thank you so much for honoring me in this way. I have traveled the world and received several awards and recognitions, but nothing compares to being recognized in the soil that you grew in. So I thank you so much for this. Thank you.
So, congratulations are in high order for international superstar Rihanna on becoming a national hero in her home country of Barbados, and her fans right across the world are very happy based on this accomplishment by the recording and entrepreneur superstar. It's a really good look for Barbados after they pulled ties from Britain as well. And this does coincide with Rihanna's becoming and this does coincide with Rihanna becoming a national hero as well in the ends of everything that was going on in Barbados. Well, this is where we're going to leave this one for now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.